Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin from Newton. But before we get into that, let's talk about why you might want to buy Bitcoin in the first place. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has been around since 2009. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it a very attractive investment for people who are looking for an alternative to traditional investments. Bitcoin is also a very volatile asset. This means that its price can fluctuate dramatically over short periods of time. This can be both a good and a bad thing. On the one hand, it means that you could make a lot of money if you buy Bitcoin at the right time. On the other hand, it also means that you could lose a lot of money if you buy Bitcoin at the wrong time. So, now that we've talked about the pros and cons of buying Bitcoin, let's get into how to do it from Newton. Step 1. Create a Newton account. The first step is to create a Newton account. You can do this by going to the Newton website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that Newton takes to prevent fraud. You can verify your identity by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Step 3. Fund your account. Once you have verified your identity, you can fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account to your Newton account. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Once you have funded your account, you can buy Bitcoin. You can do this by clicking on the Buy button and entering the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Step 5. Store your Bitcoin. Once you have purchased Bitcoin, you need to store it somewhere safe. You can store your Bitcoin on the Newton exchange, or you can transfer it to a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a hardware device that stores your private keys offline. This is the most secure way to store your Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin from Newton is a relatively simple process. However, it is important to do your research before you invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and you could lose money if you invest in it at the wrong time. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin, I encourage you to check out the following resources: Bitcoin.org, Coinbase, Kraken. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.